Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, I'm Aisyah Huwaidatunnisa and I'm from class 9A. Today, I'm going to tell you on how to make a simple breakfast Miffy pancakes. Let's go! For the ingredients, we will be needing pancake mix. We are using pancake mix so that it's simple and easy. You can quickly get this from convenience store near your house. Egg, we usually need 1 egg per packet, and water according to your pancake mix, honey, black food coloring, and fruits of your choices. Moving on to the steps. Let's go! First, stir together your pancake mix, water, and egg on a bowl until smooth. Separate 1 tablespoon of the batter and mix it with black food coloring. Pour the rest of the batter into a squeeze bottle. Heat your non-stick pan over a medium heat. Squeeze the batter onto the pan, shaped as a bunny. Cook until bubbles form and edges are dry for about 1 minute. Flip and cook until brown on the other side. Repeat with remaining batter. Because we're making Miffy, don't forget to add the eyes and mouth with the black colored pancake batter with a toothpick. Stack your pancakes on a plate and arrange them nicely. There you have it, Miffy pancakes. You can add fruits of your choices and drizzle with honey. You can also enjoy with drinks of your choice like milk, juice, etc. Enjoy your simple breakfast. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye!